let's do this. Another easy and attainable organizing idea to get you organized this year. Any follow-up questions about paperwork and filing and all that stuff, so we're going to tackle a little bit more of that today. Helpful, but boring. Currently in my office, and I'm going to show you my filing system, but you are not going to judge me. It's functional, but it is not pretty. First video in this series, I do that when paperwork comes in, I divide it into two sections: action, which is right there on my desk, and then to file. I wanted to film how I sort out all the papers that end up in my to file pile, and I hit record, and then, I don't know, something happened and I didn't film it, and I'm not doing it again. So let me show you what the aftermath of it is. Sat on the floor in the middle of my office on a pillow and made piles and sorted it out around. I have a filing cabinet where I put everything once it's been sorted, and I have my files. Not color coded, they don't match, and they aren't pretty, but they are functional. Sometimes I use my label maker, sometimes I write over things, sometimes I have, oh that's old, I should probably get rid of that. Sometimes I have a post-it, sometimes my husband does a scribble scrabble. Big takeaway when it comes to naming your files, naming your folders, is to name it how you call it. If you call it MasterCard, if you call it Visa, name it like that. If you call it by the bank name, if you call it RBC, CIBC, whatever the most identifiable way will be for you to find it, that's what you should call it. I like to put the newest in front, but you do you. You can put the newest in back, oldest in front, whatever works. If you don't have a filing cabinet, you don't have an office, that's okay. You can use something like this, like an accordion file that you can just label on top and put all of your papers in if you don't have a lot of paperwork. One of these filing storage boxes. This way or that way, and just tuck under a table, a desk, behind your sofa, wherever. I hope this provided some clarity for what to do with that whole to-file pile. Let me know if you have any more paperwork questions. Don't forget, you can always schedule a one-on-one organizing chat with me if you need a little more help in this area or any other organizing area, and follow along to get organized.